Slo-based MCQs of chapter number 02 Computer Science Class 9. One. A underscore 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 is a challenge or situation that needs to be overcome using some action. Input. Output. Complex. Problem. Problem. 2. Which one is not computing problem? Bugging problem. Decision problem. Search problem. Counting problem. Bugging problem. 3. Which problem requires binary response, either yes or no? Decision. Searching. Counting. Bugging. Decision. 4. Finding a path between two cities is called underscore 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 problem. Search. Counting. Decision. Bugging. Search. 5. Underscore 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 represents the moves that transition from one node to another node. Operation. Initial state. Goal.
Vèrtex.
Operation. 6. Underscore 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 defines the target of end condition. Operation. Goal. Operations.
Vèrtex.
Goal. 7. Operation. Problem solving. Process. Solution. Problem solving. 8. IPO stands for Input Pixel Output. Input Print Output. Input Plug Output. Input Processing Output. Input Processing Output. 9. How many computational problem are available? 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. 10. In which problem requires a binary response, either yes or no? Search. Decision. Counting. None. Decision. 11. Which graphical representation of an algorithm? Matrix. Graph. Flowchart. Solution. Flowchart. 12. Which symbol is used to start or end flowchart? Terminal. Processing. Oval. Decision. Oval. 13. How many properties of computational thinking are available? 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. 14. Breaking down the larger problems into smaller / manageable ones and working on them one by one is called abstraction. Decomposition. Pattern recognition. Algorithm. Decomposition. 15. Microsoft underscore 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 is a tool for drawing diagram I.E flowchart, network diagrams, and data flow diagrams, etc. MS Power. Point. Excel. Visio. None. Visio. 16. What is the first step in solving a computational problem? Write code. Debugging. Understand problem. Testing. Understand problem. 17. Which industries commonly use MS Visio for their workflow? Graphic designer. Engineering and software development. Entertainment. Retail and fashion. Engineering and software development. 18. A flowchart is used to show algorithm. Visually. Store large data. Replace program. Simple calculation. Algorithm visually. 19. A concept map is primarily used for stored data, ideas or concepts, complex equations, Replace program. Ideas or concepts. 20. In a concept map, the connections between concepts are typically represented by arrows or lines, boxes only, icons, text only, arrows or lines. 21. LARP is especially used for non-programmers, data analysis, websites, video processing, non-programmers. 22. How does LARP benefit problem solving? Providing random solutions by visually organizing algorithm errors automatically, storing data by visually organizing algorithm. 23. What does computational thinking involve? Programming computers, applying logical reasoning to solve complex problems, studying computer hardware, engaging in computer simulations, applying logical reasoning to solve complex problems. 24. Why is computational thinking crucial in computer science? Supporting hardware design, assisting with real-time data analysis, facilitating efficient problem solving and algorithm creation, concentrating on optimizing computer speed, facilitating efficient problem solving and algorithm creation. 25. After gathering information to identify a computing problem, what should be done next? Seek technical support immediately. Isolate the problem. Define the problem. Check for software updates. Define the problem. 26. What is computational thinking best described as? Focusing on hardware, design and engineering, studying programming languages, problem solving through decomposition and abstraction, a method for optimizing computer performance, problem solving through decomposition and abstraction. 27. In computer science, what is the primary role of problem solving? Debugging computer hardware, writing complex code, designing efficient algorithms and making informed decisions, analyzing network protocols, designing efficient algorithms and making informed decisions. 28. What is the importance of algorithmic thinking in the field of robotics? Creating visually appealing robot designs, developing algorithms for recognizing, mainly related to 3D modeling for robots, focusing on hardware development, developing algorithms for recognizing patterns and making predictions. Patterns and making predictions. 29. What role does decomposition play in problem solving? Breaking down complex problems, selecting data structures, developing algorithms, automating tasks, breaking down complex problems. 30. Which step is crucial in the problem-solving process to ensure understanding and comprehension? Break down the problem. Define the problem. Develop a plan. Verify and reflect. Define the problem. 31. Which aspect of computational thinking involves selecting appropriate data structures to organize and manage data efficiently? Abstraction, logical reasoning, data representation, algorithmic thinking, data representation. 32. What is the primary purpose of automation in computational thinking? Fostering critical thinking skills, designing efficient algorithms, reducing human effort and errors, analyzing data structures, reducing human effort and errors. 33. Which computational thinking principle emphasizes creating computational models for analysis and prediction? Modeling and simulation, decomposition, automation, logical reasoning, modeling and simulation. 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 Simulation.